to Gold Burmese language lessons. We're going to talk about today lesson 4 is Essential Burmese Words Part 2. Let's go to the words. Number 1, no. No is the day. The day. Okay, again. The day. Number 2, consult. Consult means time bin day. Time bin day. Okay, again. Time bin day. Number 3, enter. Enter is wind day. Wind day. Okay? Wind day. Number 4, draw. Draw is Ye-Swae-Tae. Ye-Swae-Tae. Okay, again. Ye-Swae-Tae. Number 5, pull. Pull is Swae-Tae. Swae-Tae. Again. Swae-Tae. Number 6, push. Push is Donne. Donde. Again, Donde. Number 7, noise. Noise is Suu-Nyan-Tae. Suu-Nyan-Tae. Again, Suu-Nyan-Tae. Number 8, silence. Tae-Tae. Tae-Tae. Again, Tae-Tae. Number 9, play. Play is Kasar. Kasar. Okay, again, Kasar. Number 10, throw. Throw is Pyit-Tae. Pyit-Tae. Again, Pyit-Tae. 11, care. Care is Gayu-Site-Tae. 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 Number 12, wait. Sound sign day. Sound sign day. Sound sign day. 13, teach. Teach is Tin Tae. Tin Tae. Tin Tae. 14, choose. Choose is Yut-Tae. Yut-Tae. Again, Yut-Tae. 15, support. Support is Htut-Pank. 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 16, blame. Blame is Ar-Pyit-Tin. Ar-Pyit-Tin. Again, Ar-Pyit-Tin. 17, adore. Adore is Myat Noe-Tae. Myat Noe-Tae. Myat Noe-Tae. Number 18, kiss. Nann. Nann. Okay? Nann. Number 19, kick. Kick is Kan-Tae. Kan-Tae. Okay? Kan-Tae. Number 20, respect. Respect is Lee-Sa-Tae. Lee-Sa-Tae. Again, Lee-Sa-Tae. 21, think. Dwe-Do-Tae. Dwe-Do-Tae. Again, Dwe-Do-Tae. 22, believe. Believe is Yone-Kyi-Tae. Yone-Kyi-Tae. Again, Yone-Kyi-Tae. 23. Help. Help is Ku-Nyi-Tae. Ku-Nyi-Tae. Again, Ku-Nyi-Tae. Next one, ox. May-Tae. May-Tae. Again, ox is May-Tae. 25. Like. Like is Chae-Tae. Chae-Tae. Okay, again, Chae-Tae. 26. Guide. Guide is Nyhun-Pya-Tae. Nyhun-Pya-Tae. Again, Nyhun-Pya-Tae. 27. Argue. Argue means Nyinn-Tae. Nyinn-Tae. Again, Nyinn-Tae. 28. See. Nyinn. Very easy, no? Nyinn. Nyinn. 29. Sit. Htine. Htine. Again, Htine. The last one, 30. Stand. Yut-Tae. Yut-Tae. Okay? Yut-Tae. Please enjoy in your days with essential Burmese words. I will come back to you the next lessons step by step. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Kyae-Zuu-Tin-Partae. Kyae-Zuu-Tin-Partae.